In this video, we will see how to generate a moisture map. The moisture map is a qualitative map of moisture content in concrete at or above the first rebar layer. It is essentially a map of the velocity distribution in a survey area. The moisture map feature can be accessed from the Analytics button on the toolbar under the Bridge menu. For the moisture map, after the AI detection, hyperbola fitting is performed for the detected hyperbolas in order to acquire the velocity values. Both the detection points and the fitted hyperbola can be edited. For more information on the Data Analytics tool, please watch the Data Analytics video. Select the desired quality for the map to generate. When generating any map from Analytics, a message appears on the top to let you know that the hyperbola detection has started, and the first rebar layer appears on the Insights section on the left panel. During calculations, a progress sphere will appear next to the first rebar layer. You can still use the interface to perform other processing or visualization tasks during calculations. When the map is ready, a message will appear at the top of the window. Click on the item to display the map on the Slice View window. By hovering over or right-clicking on the moisture map item, options for deleting, showing, or hiding the map appear. Select the map item to show its information section on the right panel. From here, you can change the color map used or adjust the limits of the color map. The colors show the likelihood of moisture content. By hovering over the cyan vertical lines, you can check the high and low velocity values. You can also select to show the dielectric instead of the velocity values. Select the search radius and the cell size, make the moisture map transparent, check the calculated area for different velocity values, and add comments associated with the moisture map. You can also export the map. This will export a compressed zip file that includes a PNG image with the map, but also a CSV file with the velocity values and their corresponding X/Y coordinates.